Hello, this video is for our students that sit at the orange circle table. To begin, they'll be coming in the middle door of the cafeteria and they will drop their bags with the masks inside the bucket. You should have already removed your masks prior to arriving at this location, and you'll place your mask bag safely in the bucket with the orange circle on it. If you are a cold lunch student, you are going to safely continue all the way to the back of the orange tables, and you are going to go to your seat and have a seat, and you can begin eating your lunch. If you're a hot lunch student, you're going to continue along the socially distant red dots that are on the floor, and you're going to continue through the lunch line, collect your lunch, check out with the cashier, and then you will go up the center of the cafeteria and come back to your table. I would like to draw your attention to the table that has a star on it. This table is a allergy aware table where only assigned students can sit there, or if you're directed to sit there, and it's hot lunch only for those students. So the lunchroom supervisors will be communicating with individuals prior to them sitting at that location. When you are all done eating, the lunchroom supervisors will flip cup to orange to signal that lunch is over. You will then collect your belongings and your garbage from your lunch and carry it to the garbage cans. And then you will proceed to the sanitizing station where you'll sanitize your hands. You'll collect your mask from the orange table that is where your masks were originally dropped off here, and adults have now brought them over to the orange table, and you will safely exit through the doorway where you will then stop and place your mask back on using our mask procedures, and then you'll continue to the area to wait for your teacher. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this was helpful in understanding how we are going to enter and exit the cafeteria safely. Thank you.